This is for demonstrating the use of Vlookup in Excel. Suppose we have a file, a roll number, name, department, marks, and remarks are there. In another file, it may be in this sheet or any other sheet also. I want to get the roll for a given roll number. For example, if I say I want to know for 25739, which is here, I want to get the name of the person. I want to get the department of the person. I want to get what remarks are there against him. This need not be, this heading need not be same as this one. This need not be same as this one. So I can write class, first class, second class, or distinction. I can write this one as, it doesn't make a difference. Now, that is where we use VLOOKUP. Syntax is like this. Start with equal to VLOOKUP. When I type L itself, the VLOOKUP comes here. I can double click on this one. Then if I click on this FX, it tells you what all things are required. What is the lookup value? Lookup value is what is here. I have to click on this. I'm looking for the value which is there on G3. That is. Now, where is it? If I come here, data will be in this. The only thing I would ensure that whatever data you're looking for, that is in the column that you're selecting first. Here I'm selecting this column. I want all of them because all data is required. So select this entire thing. I selected A2 to E14. Now name is, this is first column. This is in the second column. So second column is the data that I'm looking for. The moment I put there, you can make out that it is there. Nikit has come there. 739 is Nikit. Now here I have to write false because I want an exact match. If it is true, then instead of 2539, if it is not available, then it will look for 25738 or whichever the nearest number. In this case, we want it to be exact number. Most of the cases, it is exact number. Okay, side. Now, I put another value. Okay, let us put this. Now, Nikit, the name. Here, I'll repeat the same thing. Is equal to, we look up the value I'm looking for. I'm looking for this value. Where am I looking for? I'm looking for in this thing. What is index number? Now it is 1, 2. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Department is in the third column after the value. Again, I want it to be true. False. Because a lookup value in the table in the same row as the column. To find out the closest match in the first column, sorted in ascending order. True is omitted. Find the exact match. Find an exact match is written here is equal to false. To BBS come. Suppose I give a number which is not available there. Suppose I say it is 25742. 742. It will say it is not available. 25739. Suppose I say instead of false, if I say it is true, let's see what happens. Normally you don't use these things. Use VBA because 2574 is not there, but 25741 is there, so approximately, but that is of no use for us. So let us keep it false only. In most of the cases, you will only need false. Now, 739, I'll make 257372560, let us say 606. changes to Ashwita BCom. Now I want to put this also. Now here the formula is 25. I want to copy the formula from here to here. One way is I can repeat whatever I did here. Now this is G3. So G3 is fixed. So when I drag it from here, I do not want the value to change. So formula is here. Let us say change this formula, freeze this formula. So that when you drag it to the right, it doesn't change from G to H. So do that, I'd put a dollar sign. A2 to E14. Now, I want it to remain in A2 only, so when I do not want to, so I put a dollar here, I put a dollar here, and then put a dollar before E, before E, dollar before 14. Now, this was 3 for the department. For the marks, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 there. Department has come. Now I can actually drag this formula because I have frozen this data using dollar sign. Even if I shift it, nothing will happen. So what has to be changed? Instead of 4, I have to make it. Suppose I want another to come here. Suppose I want 25603. Now if I drag this down and drag this down and drag this down, 25603 Kriti is correct, 79 is correct, distinction is correct. A department, I made a mistake here. This is department is in 3, and now I want one more as remark. Not remark, this is marks. Marks is 1, 2, 3, fourth one. This is fourth one. So I had to make it 4 here. 4 here. And if I want remarks also, then copy this here and then make this one as 5. Now here, instead of now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this has to be made 5 because it's in the fifth column. I get this. I can drag this one. Why I can drag this one is because I'm dragging from, when I drag from here, here it says lookup values 25606, which is in the G3. I drag it here, it says lookup values this value. So that way I can reproduce the entire thing by dragging from here because I have, there's a mistake here. 25600, 25609 is not coming. So this one should not be dragged. I can only drag from here. And then I can put whatever number I want here. 25735. I put 25735. I'll get the number for that. If I put 25738. Or if I put entire thing here, copy this one, Control C. And if I put it here, Control V, the entire thing is coming here. Now I can drag this. So basically, VLOOKUP. I'll repeat once again. VLOOKUP will look for a given value. And then it will ask for where is that value found. Here I'm saying it is found in A2 to E14. And it says what is the value that you want to get. I want to get the second value after this. lookup value. So I said second, and I want exact match. Therefore, it is false. In this case, I want it to be the third one. In this case, I want it to be the fourth one because one, two, three, fourth is the one. And here I want it to be the fifth one. Now, because I want to drag the formula from here to here, I should not, because otherwise what will happen is when you drag the formula, the G3, A will become B and E will become F. Of that, and frozen columns A and column E. When you drag from one row to another row, I want it to change, the lookup value to change to 4. Column should not change. So column is not changing because I'm dragging down below. And 4 is, there is no dollar sign here. So 3 will remain, 3 will become 4, it will become 5, it will become 13. If I put dollar here, it will remain everything, it will give only. Suppose I do that. Suppose I do this for dollar G dollar 3. And then I drag. I will get only second, 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 second because everything is looking for this number. Here also it is this number. So I should not do that. Dollar has to be removed from the lookup value because lookup value has to change. If I drag it down, I want it whatever is on the left side. You need practice on this one. All the best for your interview.